Casey, what you doing? Let the baby play. Is baby not clean? Oh, you got it? They're all trying to grab onto titties. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Go play. She's dragging them. Oh my goodness. Go play. Yeah. See? Like that. Oh, let them play. Titi, let him play, honey. Tia. Titi, come see mommy. Come see mommy. Titi, they're just going to try for your titties. Let him play. Come here, honey. Titi, come here, baby. Tia. Okay, Shelly, get out of there. Go back up. Back up. Back up. Either here or over there. Come on. Let the babies play. Oh, where are you going? I don't want you going to the chair. I won't be able to find you. Oh my goodness. They're just getting their strength in their legs and they're still wobbling.
Look at mine. That was so cute.
It is. It's precious. He says, what is wrong with my back legs? He wants to play. Will you guys quit double teaming that puppy? Get out of there. Right now. Tia, you leave the babies alone. Let them play. I can't believe you guys were double teaming them. Here, over there. Go over there. Go over there, baby. Go play. Go play. Shelly, leave the baby alone, please. Titi, come up here. Tia, come see mommy. Titi, come see mommy. Oh. Oh my goodness. You guys. His little legs are all
I know. He's like, oh, I'm out of here.
Oh, she tried to run. It's just like it's too weird because their legs just aren't ready yet. Oh my goodness. Oh honey. I'll bet you the carpet's grabbing their little nails. Is the carpet grabbing those? I'll bet they are.